Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the Glitz Glam bag for the month of August. If you don't know, this is a $15 a month subscription. There's usually about $50 worth of product inside. Always guaranteed a pair of lashes. So let's go ahead and open it and see what is inside. So first thing we got here is the card. You got the theme. On the back side, it has the items with the price and a brief description. And this is what it looks like when you pull it out. Okay, the first thing we got here is a brush. And this brush, excuse me, is tie-dye eyeshadow brush. GlitzGlam brand for $3. And it is great for packing and blending. And I like this one because it's super pointy and I need more narrow tapered eyeshadow brushes like that. So thrilled about that. The next thing we got here is Fabulash Fox Mink Lashes, and these retail for $8. This is by Cara Beauty. And I actually do have a couple palettes by Cara Beauty. They are very affordable and their quality is absolutely amazing. So, yep, thrilled. The next thing we got here is some gloss. This is Iridescent Glitter Gloss by Hikari for $18. Color transforming glitter gloss that just swatch it, thank us later, okay? So this is in color Luna. And that is what it looks like. I do have a palette by Hikari, and I had got a lip from GlitzGlamBox from Hikari as well, and I did like it. So let's swatch this. This is unique color to my lip collection, so happy. I do like some purples. Alright, so the next thing we have here is a palette, and the palette is from You Can Be. It says the Sweet Party Eyeshadow Palette, retails for $10, 15 shades. Variations include Fruit Punch, Berry Cola, Light Chocolate, My Honey, Pink Mojito. So I got My Honey. Let's see what this looks like. I may and may not keep it. Depends on how unique the palette is to my collection. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like out. Let's go ahead and open that up. Okay, so this is not unique to my collection at all. I really love those colors. They're really pretty, but I have tons of palettes with those shades in it. So I am just going to close this up and not swatch it and stick it into the fall giveaway. So that will be there. Otherwise, that is it of my GlitzGlamBox, or bag, whatever you want to call it. It's see, the name of the company is GlitzGlamBox, but they send it in a bag, so I don't ever really know to say, am I unboxing or unbagging? Anyway, so that is it. I think these are really, really great items. They are all things that I would use, so I'm not really upset about any of it, but I am going to pass Eyeshadow Palette along. And that is it. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what your favorite item in this month is. And if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.